Good morning and welcome to my travel window. Today we're going to do the unboxing of our newest luggage. You'll all remember that earlier this month I did a video on the carry-ons that we use. We have done dozens of trips with just a backpack and a carry-on, and one of those carry-ons has come to the end of its life after 10 years, and we've decided to upgrade. And so what I'm going to show you today is the level 8 luggage for my wife. This is a 20-inch carry-on. It's called the Luminous series. It's white, and I'm going to unbox it today, and we're going to go through it and show you what it's like. So first it is a box within a box. So the outside box is the Amazon box. The inside box is the actual level 8 luggage, which has its own container. So we'll open this up from the top. Oh my, pretty. Okay, so first off, it comes with its own cover, which will be nice for storage. So, as you can see, it calls it the 20-inch size, but it's just under 22 inches tall with the wheels. So, one of the questions is, why would we look for a new suitcase for my wife as opposed to a new suitcase for me? You know, the theme of our channel is to travel as well as you can for as long as you can. And my wife has a little more trouble with her shoulders, and so what she has trouble going through airports. When you open up the suitcase and you lean it forward like this, the weight is hard for her. So we have been looking for luggage that she could roll around on wheels. And the level 8 luggage is one of the ones that specializes. They have, instead of the 4 wheels that we had before, they have 8 wheels. So the hope is that she'll be able to haul this through the airport straight up and down like this. Level. I'm not sure if that's where level 8 gets its name, but it's a great idea. Okay, so let's open up the inside and see what it looks like from the inside. So first you can see it's a beautiful case. And it has a lovely, nice texture on the outside. I said it was white. It's sort of a cream white. It looks beautiful. It has handles on the side and another handle on the top, which is helpful if you're going to load it into the overhead. It also has the pads on the bottom here so that you can set it on the ground and not get the bottom part here dirty. So let's unzip it. First of all, it does have a TSA lock on the top, so that's a nice feature. So that's something that we have not had before. So I told you I had TSA locks, and let me show you how those work. So what happens is when you zipper it all up, you take these and you turn them sideways and you snap them into place there so they don't come unzipped while the bag is in transit. And so we're going to tell you how all that works in real life when we take it out for a spin. Okay, so if I open it and lay it out like this, what you'll see on this side, there's the zippered side. There's actually mesh on both sides. So this side opens up, and you'll see in the front what they have is 2 zippered pockets. One that comes up into here, one that comes up into here. This will be nice for my wife because she tends to have a lot of little things that she stores all everywhere, and that will be a nice feature for her. The zippers look good. Okay, now let's open up the side where we usually put clothes. I'm going to show you the difference in size between this suitcase and the one that we've been using before. So you can see the level 8 is a little boxier. So it is really similar in width, but because it has more squared corners all the way around, it looks like it has a greater content. So now we're going to test that. When I did a video earlier in the month, what I did is I put my clothes, and I'm just going to use mine because I have them available, but I put my clothes in this side. And it looks like there is more packing space in this one than there was in the previous one, but we're going to test that out. Okay, you can see on my left, your right, what was the original suitcase that we had packed earlier in the month. So what I'm going to do is take and transfer all these things to this side, and you can see what the difference is. Now, as you can see, we come up over the top of the sides on this one, and things are packed in here pretty tight. So let's see if this can handle all that same material. So what happened with the other suitcase is you then had a strap like this that goes over the top to hold them in. What this does is has mesh that goes around it. The outer mesh acts as a little bit of compression, just like this thing acted before, but it's cleaner, and what you can wind up putting other things in here and fill up this space that's right in here, and have them protected and not fall out that was in the other one. So I think all together it's better. And on the opposite side, instead of just the zipper here, what you have are all the pockets here, and then all of the items that were in here before. I've taken out one of the bags since we did the original video, so but there's just as much space, and then more space for miscellaneous things over the top. So all in all, looks good. I think most everyone will agree that this is a beautiful set of luggage. Okay, here's an added bonus. After I did the rest of this video, I tried something out that I think is going to be my wife's favorite feature of this piece of luggage. You can see on the top of this luggage how the handle is angled like this. What you see on the top of the luggage that we've carried is a square spot like this. How's that a big deal? If you have a backpack on, we use the little Rick Steves backpack, and you want to take it off, you can take it off just like that. The biggest complaint we've had about the luggage that we've had before is you put this on, you go to take it off, and it stops right there. And you have to individually take it, and the more it's stuffed, the harder it is to get it off. So I think that alone will probably be the thing that sells my wife. So as you all know, it's not a question of how it works when it comes out of the box. It's a question of how it works in real life. So we're due to take a trip in about 3 weeks. And as soon as we're going to take this on the trip, and we're going to try it out. And so we'll tell you how it goes through at the airport, how it goes through with the airlines, and whether it checks okay. And we'll let you know how it handles in the trip, what it's like in terms of maneuverability. That's the key thing for us. And we'll give you another report on that when we return from the trip. So, but for now, super impressed. Until next time, happy rolling and safe travels.